In our village, we do not have proper knowledge about which type of soil is good for growing different type of crops. And when crops are cultivated in non-fertile land and low quality soil, then they often get damaged or fail to grow properly. Moreover, we do not know the moisture context, pH level and fertility level of the soil. And this platform become very serious problem because we have to know if the soil is healthy or not. So hello everyone, today we are going to present a project on soil health monitoring device under Viksit Bharat Build 2025.
Lack of knowledge for the proper soil can be lead to many agricultural problems. Some of them are the lower the crop yield, soil degradation and environmental problems. Without the proper soil, plants cannot grow properly and absorb nutrients and water from the soil and leaving them vulnerable to pests and diseases and also other environmental stresses.
The idea of a solution merged with numerous farmers and rural residents. They highlight the lack of awareness about soil problem often leads to severe consequences for agricultural land. They insight inspire us to solution to solve critical issues.
As a solution for the problem, we have come with the idea of soil health monitoring device, which would check if the soil is healthy or not, check the nutrition content of the soil, check the moisture level of the soil, and check if there is any unwanted microorganism in the soil and give suggestion for accordingly, and it also support the sustainable farming practice.
Some benefits of our solution is by knowing exactly when the soil needs water, farmer can avoid wastage of water.
A device helps farmers to use fertilizer more efficiently, which reduces harm to the environment.
Also, this device alerts the farmer about the potential problems before they become a big issue.
Our team comes with a goal to make Atmanirbhar Bharat so that our solution can help the people of village and the farmer who are dependent on agriculture. Our solution can be only used by the people of Bharat.
The solution comes with many sustainable development goals. Some of them are SDG 2, Zero Hunger Sustainable Agriculture Produce. Number 2, SDG 6, restore clean sanitation and water. So this reduces water pollution. And number 3, SDG 15, Life on Land, combat desertification and restore land. That's all and thank you.
It gives me immense pleasure to present our school innovative project, Bhumitra, and a live soil testing and advisory kit for sustainable agriculture. And this project truly reflects the vision of Viksit Bharat 2047 and combining technology, sustainable and a spirit of self-reliant India. Developed by our talented students under guidance of their teacher Sri Ganesh, Samantha, Bhumitra empowers farmers with the instant soil health and insight using affordable and solar-powered technology. It promotes precision farming, reduces fertilizer misuse, and actually this can be operated by the solar system. It also helps the farmers to know that the actual health of the soil. And it is a very great product which is children have done and they have done dedicated service. And they brought out a suitable soil testing machines and which is relevant for the present society and modern days to get the agriculture developed nicely. And on behalf of entire Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya Narayanpur, I extend my heartfelt thanks to the team and the coordinator Mr. Ganesh and all the staff member and the children who have extended their support voluntarily, directly, indirectly in all the ways to get the project we developed a sustainable and very good one under the Viksit Bharat project. Congratulations. Thank you.